In this video, I will show you how to use the ETF Excel Bulk Data Tool. To download the Bulk Data Tool, go to the ETF Reporting Tools Help page. This is accessible through the ETF Reporting Tool by clicking on the boxes with a question mark upper right-hand corner of the header bar. In the ETF Reporting Tools Help page, go to the Technical Documentation section. Click on the ETF Excel Bulk Data Tool link to download the tool. Make a copy of the Bulk Data Tool Excel file and ensure it is in a trusted location. Note that this tool has macros and works only with Microsoft Windows operating system. To start using the tool, open the Excel file. Under the Data Entry menu, choose the workspace NDC. This will display the Policies and Measures tab, where you can insert all the mitigation measures, using one row for each measure. Before entering data, the columns for estimated GHG emissions reductions achieved or expected must be configured to match the selection in the version settings of the NDC Progress Reporting tool. All other columns in the worksheet are fixed and cannot be changed. To add columns, select Add Column in the Data Entry tab. Enter the year for the GHG emissions reduction and specify whether it is achieved or expected. Then select Add Column. The new column will be added at the end. Repeat for each column needed and close the dialog box when done by clicking Close. To delete a column, select Delete Column in the Data Entry tab. Select the name of the column to be deleted and click Delete. Please note that it is not possible to copy columns. It is also not possible to add or delete any columns except the ones for GHG emissions reduction achieved and expected. You can add, copy or delete rows using the respective functions under the Data Entry tab. By default, the tool comes with 1,000 rows. Empty rows will be ignored during the JSON file generation, hence do not need to be deleted. If more than 1,000 rows are needed, then the Add Row function can be used. To add rows, select the line under which you want to add rows. Select Add Row under the Data Entry tab. Indicate the number of rows to be added and click OK. The new rows will be added accordingly. After the correct number of columns and rows have been created, you can either enter data directly in the Excel file or copy and paste data from another Excel file as shown in this video. The first column contains the measure name, which must be unique. The tool will generate an error message during the JSON file generation if duplicate names are detected. Information about each mitigation measure, including description and other details such as cost information or information on non-GHG benefits, can be filled in the subsequent columns. For columns that have drop-down lists in the NDC Progress Reporting tool, the Bulk Data tool has multi-select lists. Additional items can be included in the list by adding the relevant terms for that field. The appropriate selections can be made from the list when populating the Excel file with data. This functionality can be switched off and on using the Deactivate Multi-Select and Activate Multi-Select buttons under the Data Entry tab. The worksheet can be temporarily unlocked for the purpose of adjusting column and row sizes using the Unlock button. If you click Unlock, a pop-up will appear notifying you of the changes that may occur using this function. Click OK to proceed and adjust the column widths where necessary. Making adjustments to column widths or row sizes in the tool works the same way as in Excel. Use the Lock button immediately after the adjustments are made. Any other changes made while the worksheet is unlocked, such as deleting columns, can lead to corrupted JSON files and import errors. When you are done entering data into the tool, export the JSON file by clicking on Export JSON in the Data Entry tab. Select the location on your computer to save the file. Enter your party's 3-letter ISO code and the submission year as prompted. This JSON file can then be imported into the ETF-Progress tool. This is how you use the ETF Excel Bulk Data tool. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.